Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we are going to recreate a look. So I'm going to do a face painting sort of a thing for this video. So one of my follower showed me this look and wanted me to recreate this. So it has a snake drawn all over the face and also some flowers on face. So we'll try recreating this look, and for that I'm going to do my face first behind the scenes and then I will come back. So let's start the video. And I have done my base. So I have just first prepped my skin with moisturizer, primer and all. Then I have not done any color correction. I have just applied foundation and I have used here this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation and it is in shade golden beige. So I have used this one, and on top of that, to set the foundation I have used the compact, and I have used this Nykaa matte compact which are newly launched from Nykaa, and it is in shade beige and it shade beige 03. So then that's it till yet. So now we will move towards our face painting. So we will start our face painting with drawing a rough figure of this snake. So this is where she has done, it is on this side and it also on this side. So I will draw a rough lines with the help of a kajal. So this is a normal kajal, it is not that pigmented, and also we don't want that pigmentation because if anything goes wrong then we can just remove it off easily. So I'm just going to draw lines roughly on that and then we will start filling it. So I have just roughly drawn the body of this side. Then I will just start with this side body because it's from here to here. So we will just draw the body of this part and then we will outline it properly with the help of our eyeliner, and then we will start coloring it. Completed the body of both the sides, and also I have just given a rough shape of the face. I have not done it properly yet. So now what we will do is I'm going to fill this properly with the help of an eyeshadow first. I'm going to set it, filling this with the help of a black eyeshadow, and it should be proper black jet eyeshadow. So yeah, with the help of a very tiny brush, going to start filling this. Done till now yet is on this side I have just applied that black eyeshadow, and on this side I have done like I have first applied a gel liner, black gel liner, and on top of that I have applied grey eyeshadow to give a little bit detailing, and then with the liner I have done some detailing on snake, like the lines which are on snake. So I have done on this side. I will do the same on this side and show you guys how did I do. So now I am using a gel liner from Forever 52. This is a black jet gel liner, and going to apply on this side to give a little bit more black jet color. I'm just going to set this side where I have applied the gel liner. I have done setting it with the help of a grey eyeshadow. Now I am using a sketch eyeliner. From Sugar Cosmetics, and this is how it works. It has a very flat application brush. So with the help of this, I am going to give a detailing lines on the snake. Once we are done with this detailing, now she has also drawn some flowers on this side. So we will start drawing this and then we will move towards our eyes. So for that I am using a concealer and then going to blend it with the help of a pink eyeshadow and white eyeshadow. So let's start. Towards our eyes now. So it is totally pink. There is a shading of pink. जैसे inner corner में light है, then it goes on it dark. So we will go like that only. For eyes, I am going to use my blush because I wanted to try something different. So I am using this iMagic blush palette and it has all the shades of pink, from light to medium to dark. So dark, yes, here light to medium to dark. So I thought we will try something new with this. So I am using this and I am going to use Forever 52 eye brushes also. This is Maybelline Age Rewind eraser, that is concealer eraser, and just applying it on my lids. And then we will just blend it out with the help of a beauty blender. Just the last step is remaining, and that is highlighter. This My Glam Magic Potion Illuminator. It is in shade Unicorn and it is highly pigmented. It shines like magic. So yeah, and I'm just going to apply it all over my T-zone and little bit on cheeks. Yeah, that's it. And then the last we will apply is a lipstick. Going in with the Sugar Mini Lipstick. It is in shade Hot Shot in 43 number, and I'm going to apply this one because it is like proper neon pink. So yeah. So once it is dried up, it is exact matte, and once it is dried and it is in matte form, it is proper neon pink. So I will just quickly change my dress and I will. So yeah, that's it. We are done. This is my final look. So I tried my best to recreate the look, and do let me know in the comment section below that what do you feel it is like similar as that picture. Yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you love the video then please do like, share, comment and do subscribe my channel if you are new to the channel so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.